What is going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great Sunday. So today we're going to have a little do-it-yourself moment, and we're going to change out the cabin air filter in this Tundra. This Tundra was built in February 2017, I believe. I've had it since May 2017, so almost 2 years now I've had it. It's time to change the cabin air filter. Now, if you go in for service every once in a while, you will hear the dealer tell you, hey, it's time to change your cabin air filter. Well, I want to show you guys today how easy it is so you could save a little money and do it yourself. This cabin air filter, obviously you could find this thing on Sparks Parts. TundraDude34 promo code saves you 5%. But with this, my friends, it's only $15. And it will take us probably, I don't know, a good minute and a half to actually put this thing in. It's going to take longer to pull the stuff out of my glove box. So let's go over there and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so the cabin air filter is actually located in the back of the glove box. So obviously, first things first, you want to open it up, and we got to clear all this out. So we will clear it out and I will show you the next step. Step two, we're going to remove this little shelf here. It just pops in on the bottom on every side, so shouldn't be hard. Now, step three, they made it really easy for you. You just got to slide up and remove this piece right here, and the cabin air filter is behind it. In other Toyotas I've done this with, you actually have to take the whole glove box down and out of the way. This is a lot easier. They made it for 14 and up Tundras, so that's the next step. We're going to pull this door out right here. So it says slide up and remove. We're going to see how easy it is to slide up and remove here. Okay, popped right out. That's simple. Next up, right behind this is the cabin air filter. There's two little tabs on the side. You squeeze together and pull this right out. And there is the cabin air filter. After removing all the shelves and all the different doors, it's right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this thing out and we will compare it to the new one to see how dirty it is. And here's why it's important to change your cabin air filter. So you see the new one, beautiful, looks good, nice and white, everything. And there it is, dirty. There's a leaf in it. We got a big leaf. We got a little beetle here with another leaf. There's all sorts of stuff inside it. So it is definitely important to clean this thing out because, well, that's kind of nasty right there. Okay, we're about to put it back in. It says up, so just make sure you follow the instructions and put it in that way. Just like the other one was, we're going in here. That's it, just make sure it's in there snug and secure. And then we gotta start putting everything back. So there you have it, nice and simple, changing out the cabin air filter. As you can see, it is pretty important to change out quite regularly because of how dirty mine was. I might do it once a year from now on, but it's going to save you money by doing it yourself. It took us 2 minutes to do it, and $15 filter. That's it, $15. By the way, I will put the item number in the description below. But yeah, it costs $15 versus $70, $80, $90 if you do it at the dealership. So there's no reason to pay when you could do that. Anyone could do that, no problemo, nice and quick, and obviously it is worth it. So I hope this helped you in your do-it-yourself quest with your Tundra. Twitter and Instagram at TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. Have a good day.